This tiny battery runs for 50 years without charging. It's called the BV100, and if you stack enough of them, a phone would never need charging again. Now, the secret here is that this battery doesn't store power like other batteries, and it makes its own power, which means it doesn't really require charging, and once it's built, it runs for 50 years straight. And these batteries have even kept a NASA probe alive since 1977. That's almost 50 years still running now. Now, you might ask, how do you even fit 50 years of power into a tiny coin? Well, the answer is this is an atomic battery, which is completely different from the lithium battery in your phone. A lithium battery is like a bucket. You fill it with power, it drains, and you refill it by charging. This battery has no bucket. Inside of this is a tiny piece of metal called nickel 63, and it's falling apart slowly. As it falls apart, it releases a small spark of electricity. The layer of actual diamonds catches those sparks and releases them as power. That falling apart takes 50 years to finish, which is the battery life. Now, I know the question you're asking is, when do our phones get one of these? Here's the math. Your phone uses about 15 watts of hours per day. And the next battery these guys are building generates around 24 watts per day for 50 years straight. And as soon as those batteries are developed, a phone can easily live forever without any charging at all. It sounds crazy, but in a few years, your phone could come out of the box charged for life.